Hey guys, Isaac Stoller here with Stefan Group. Just wanted to tell you about my new listing in North Oaks at 2715 Center Drive. This property is situated on 3 acres with a lot of great updates. Let's take a look inside. This home is your classic 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath on a slab, but some of the recent updates are the new roof that they just had installed a year ago in 2021 and the new furnace and the new air conditioner they had installed just this spring. In addition to the 3-acre lot, you have a detached 28 by 24 fully finished storage barn. And the garage, if that's not enough storage for you, is 33 by 24 as well. Can you imagine the barbecues and the cookouts you could have in this backyard? I'm Isaac Stoller with Stefan Group. If you're interested in taking a look at this property, give me a call.